Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Today for sale is a beautiful modern open concept 5-bedroom house located in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. To be more precise, it is on St. Theresa Road in Green Acres. This house is priced at US $280,000 or Jamaican $43.4 million. This 5-bed, 6-bath house was built in 2005 and on 11,000 square feet of land. It has 2 bedrooms on the ground floor along with the kitchen, living and dining. The top floor consists of 3 ensuite bedrooms, a secondary living room as well as a gym. The house has security system for outdoor relaxation. There is a double gazebo. Other features include porcelain tiles, jet tub and jacuzzi. Now let's take a look at this unique property.
Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.